Yesterday we looked at these two letters, S and T, a S and a T. Pause the video now and tell your grown-up what you learnt about those two sounds when they're squashed together at the beginning of a word. That's right, they sound like a S and a D. Let's look at this word here, star. Can you say the word star? Listen carefully to the sounds. Fantastic. Yes, that's right. It sounds as though it starts with a S and a D. S, D. Ah, star. But we know that no word starts with an S and a D, and that when you hear a S and a D at the beginning of a word, you write S and T. Let's look at some other letters now. Here is S and C, S and K. S and K, S and K. Let's write a word. S, K, S, K, I, S, K, I. P, S, K, I, P, skip. Can you say the word skip? Listen carefully to the sounds. Well done. That's right. It sounds as though it starts with a S and a G. S, G, I, P, skip. But no word starts with an S and a G at the beginning of a word. And if we hear a S and a G at the beginning of skip, we know to write S and K. Let's look at another word now. Sk, sk, oo, sk, oo, p, sk, oo, p, scoop. Can you say that word scoop? Listen carefully to the sound. Fantastic. Yes, that's right. You can hear S and G at the beginning of the word. S, G, oo, P. But we know that scoop doesn't start with an S and a G. And when you hear that sound, S and G, you need to write S and C. So the rule is, if you hear a S and a G at the beginning of the word, you don't write S and G. You either write a S and C or an S and a K. Well done, everyone. Let's go and do some more activities on S and C and S and K words. Now we're going to practice writing words. We're going to do some segmenting. We're going to break words up into their sounds. We're going to play a game called Quick Write. For this activity, you need to draw a phoneme frame with 4 boxes on a whiteboard or on some pieces of paper. Pause your video now and go and get what you need. Well done. The first word we're going to write is scarf. Can you say the word scarf? Fantastic. We're now going to use thread fingers to break the word up into its sounds. Everybody hold up 4 fingers. Well done. Scarf. How many sounds is scarf? Yes, 4. Let's do that again. Let's write it on our phoneme frame. Oh, I know that's a C that I need to write now. S, C, R, R. That's a digraph. R, sk, R, scarf. Let's blend it together. Sk, R, scarf. Well done, everyone. Let's write another word. The next word is skin. Can you say the word skin? Fantastic. Let's use thread fingers Everybody hold up 4 fingers. Skin. How many sounds has skin? That's right, 4. Let's do it again. Skin. Let's write it on our phoning frame. Skin. Let's blend it together. Skin. Fantastic work, everyone. Let's go and write some more words.
Can you write these words? Skid. The car did a skid along the road. Scab. The boy had a scab on his knee. Skill. The girl is learning lots of football skills. Don't forget to say the word first and then to use red fingers to help you.
Now we're going to write a sentence. Pause the video and tell your adult what you remember about a sentence. That's right, a sentence starts with a capital letter, it has a finger space between words and it ends in a full stop. Now I'm going to tell you a sentence, so listen really carefully. The scarf was black and red. I'm going to say the sentence again, and this time can you count the words? The scarf was black and red. That's right, the sentence has 6 words. Can you tell your adult the sentence? Well done. I want to tell you something about that sentence now. It's got some tricky words, so watch out for those, and it's got some words that you can blend, and one of them is a sk word. So remember not to write an S and a G, but either an S and a C or an S and a K. Pause the video now and go and write your sentence. Well done. How did you get on? Let's write it together. The first word's a the, and it's a tricky word. The. Did you remember how to write it? The next word is scarf. Let's use red fingers to break that word down. Scarf. S-k-a-f. Scarf. Let's do that again. S-k-a-f. Scarf. S-k-a. That's the digraph. It's got 2 letters. S-k-a-f. Scarf. Did you remember that's a sk word? Did you remember to write the letter C and not a G? Well done. The scarf was... Have I written that right? Oh, the O should be an A, because the A is trying to be an O, isn't it? So I'll change it to an A. That's the tricky bit of the word, isn't it? The scarf was black. Let's use red fingers to break that word up. B-l-a-k. Black. Let's do that again. B-l-a-k. Black. It's got 4 sounds. B-l-a-k. Black. It's got a diagram. The scarf was black and and red. R-e-d. Red. R-e-d. Red. And a full stop at the end. Does that look like your sentence? Well done. Fantastic, everyone. Let's go and find out our challenge now.
For your challenge, write a sentence with the tricky word there. Also play the tricky word trot game on Phonics Play. Well done to everyone who's sending in their work. Here are some shout-outs. Marissa, Mudassir, Eamon, Ditat and Darius.